I have a vase and I'm gonna pour some paint on it. I have this vase and I'm gonna just clean it with some rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna use a bunch of these apple barrel ready to pour acrylic paints. I have a silicone mold that I'm gonna just have under this, so all the extra paint can just flow into there. And I've inserted a plastic cup just to raise it up. And this is my color palette right here. I think I'm gonna try just to mix all of them in there. So I'm just gonna start pouring. Try these because I've done a lot of resin pouring, but I haven't done a lot of acrylic paint pouring. So this is just so fun for me. And I love this kind of thing because you never know how it's going to turn out. Look how cool this looks so far. I'm going to let this dry overnight. It's going to keep dripping, and that's okay. I'm going to just run my finger along that bottom edge. So I'm going to walk away from this so that I don't screw it up. Okay, check out the vase. I'm going to pull it off of there. Look at that pretty. Looks really cool on the inside too, FYI. But the edges are perfect. Everything looks great. And now I'm going to put some resin on here. I have let this dry for 24 hours and it seems pretty darn dry. Even the stuff in here, which is a lot thicker, seems just about dry. So I'm going to put it back on here and I'm going to mix some resin. I'm going to use some Promise epoxy and I will have more information about it down in the description. So I'm just pouring the resin right on here. I have 3 ounces of resin. I love the way this vase turned out. So all I'm doing is pouring it on there and just helping it move down wherever it needs to go. And it will drip down as it did before. And I want to make sure I do get it under that edge so everything is covered with resin. Okay, I feel like it's everywhere. And now we just need to let it sit and cure. And I will come back periodically and clean up that edge on the bottom. Let me know in the comments if you are a resin crafter or not, and if it's something that you're interested in. I would love to know. Are we ready for the reveal here? Look at, oh my, look at, it's even perfect here. I have a little drip there, but I don't think you can even really notice it. Look at how pretty that is. The bottom's pretty, the top is cool, the inside is even cool. Not that we'll ever see that, but look at that. And you don't have to worry about anything getting all messed up with the acrylic paint because it's covered with the resin. Look at that. I'm really excited. So be sure to let me know what you think, but I'm pretty stoked about this one. It goes with everybody's decor. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but I feel like something can be done. So I have that out and now it looks like this. So if you have any thoughts on what to do with this, let me know. Let me just tell you, this is the first time I have ever poured paint on a vase. And now I think I want to pour paint on like everything and then cover it in resin. Like that's what my life should be. So let me know what you think of it. It's just so fun. And it just looks so great with the resin on top of it. It's like a beautiful finished piece. This won't be the last one you see coming from me. So let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. Look, looks so professional. Maybe I should start a series where I just start pouring paint and resin on random stuff. Let me know what you think. If you have been watching resin projects for years, or maybe this is the first one you've ever seen, and you're interested in getting started with resin, but you're a little intimidated, don't be. I have a free guide linked down in the description. I put it together not that long ago, just so that it kind of takes away the fear and the unknown, because I remember the first time I used resin and I put a lighter to it, I thought I was gonna blow up the house or something. Total irrational fear, but it was in there. So if you have any concerns, hop down there. It's totally free. It's a free guide on getting started with resin, and you can pick it up. Just go hop down there. If you love this project, I'm sure you're gonna love this one over here. So do me a favor and check that out, and I'll see you over there. In the meantime, remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter, and I will see you over there.